Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Sorry, it's been a few days. It's been a minute since I actually posted my last video. I've been uh, feeling a little sick last week. I posted the Sunday talk video this Sunday, but still I was not feeling that better. But yeah, feeling a lot better now. This so far until now. So I wanted to show you guys what the market has been doing pretty much since yesterday, so Monday, Tuesday, in expecting a few things to happen. We are in earnings report season, so markets can get very choppy. Nasdaq right now I've been holding this sell since last week on Nasdaq, so it's been a little slow. Well, I would say not slow enough, because why this order block, it's on the daily time frame, so this is going to take perhaps a few days if it's going to ever get to this point. This is already on break even, secure some profits in that one, and it's going nicely to the downside. I actually believe that I did send actually this to also to the free group on my Telegram. If you want to check it out, just go ahead and just go follow me on Telegram. I've been showing kind of like the formations and everything. I've been telling my students there what could happen. So now reacting nicely to the top and dropping. So what happened the last hour? Like you can see a big spike. This is because of the reports that were coming up in the last hour. Right here, this huge push. This, you see, all this volatility to the upside was due to the reports, and my God, it's raining right now here in my country. It's just heavily raining. I don't know if you can hear the rain in the background, but pretty heavy. So that is basically it, guys. Just waiting and still holding this one from last week. Still on that order block, we had the liquidity taken out, activating the order block and on the daily time frame, and reacting immediately right there. Hey, let me show you the US 30 position taken today. Was another indecision right here. Like you can see that the market has been ranging, like in overall, just from here, look at this, it's just moving sideways, completely sideways right now. And that's because of that, guys. So you don't worry, like if you're seeing the markets like very, you don't know what to do, is what's going on, you can even decide to not trade during this season, during this, it's like 2-3 weeks of reports. Okay, so market is definitely just moving sideways. Okay, however, I just went on a 15-minute and I was going on smaller time frames to see if there was at least something in the past, some type of order block formation that we can see. And I spotted of course this sideways moving right here, below this lows. We know we have liquidity above this highs. I was kind of like interested on catching a sale today on that was my first setup. In fact, let me show you here on the VIP, because I was expecting for the market. I did send this to my students this morning. I was kind of on Nasdaq, S&P, almost the three of them were actually showing kind of like the same formation. I wanted to see a little push, activating this potential order block at the top and then dropping, but it didn't do it. Nasdaq continued dropping. I was interested on looking another sell today, of course, since we're still holding sales from last week. But it didn't just go up. It just continued melting, dropping. So it didn't give us an entry in that consolidation today. So yeah, we're quite slow, I would say. But since we're still holding since last week, I mean, that's fine. But right here, what happened? The market, instead of actually going up and activating this sell, the price went down, activating this buy I had here on a 5-minute time frame. And it was a little order block right here. The price pushed, so I took some partial profits when the price was inside here, and I decided to also move it on break even. Okay, and I told my students, guys, I am on break even on that one. And let me show you. I just want you I want you to see that this one right here. You see, when the price was at the top, I sent US 30 place stops to break even. Okay, So I do let my students know everything that is going on, everything that's happening, the decisions I'm making, all of that stuff. The price ended up going down and stopping me out on break even. That's it. Part of the game. At least was able to secure partial profits. The price went up, at least on the entry point. It went up about 145 pips, which is not bad for a day like this. For a very strong consolidation, not bad at all. Okay, now price looks like it's coming back up. So at this point, I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow to see what's gonna happen. Still, we have some reports. Today we had what was the report today? I believe it was Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft, and Facebook is actually tomorrow. So today, Microsoft. This is why the price actually pushed up in the last hour. Right here, it was because of Microsoft. Microsoft is inside Nasdaq, so it had some action. It was very weird because look at this. The actual when the news were released, the reaction was actually to the downside. So Microsoft, the report seems to be bad. But look at how it's taking it. So was the report bad or good? Because the price went down first, but then it recovered. You see, it just went down, came crashing, but then it recovered. Just that was just for a little moment right there. Just this drop was just for a little moment. So I haven't checked the entire numbers right now to see if they were good. All I'm seeing is, of course, the stocks were pretty much red for the entire day, and I mean, I just still believe that things are still bad. I don't see many people is actually thinking right now, oh, this is rock bottom. The price, the markets has reached the bottom right now, and they are going to skyrocket now. No, we're still in a recession, and this is just the beginning, guys. This is just starting. So getting prepared. Just what I'm looking for right now is for that pullback, for the market to drop again. Perhaps it will go up a little higher, US 30, before actually come crashing down again. S&P 500 pretty much the same. It's been doing the same thing. Like you're seeing that affirmation. Look at that change of character right there. Nice. Even though I was expecting the market on this setup on a 15-minute time frame, I love this type of setup, but it didn't do it. I was expecting the market to actually break this consolidation to the upside, activate the order block before crashing, but it didn't do it. Okay, so starting from the fresh, from a good start. Now maybe let's see if this is gonna be reached tomorrow. What do you think? Do you think that order block will still be valid for tomorrow? It's possible. It is very possible. Let me start cleaning some of this stuff. So what we're seeing that the market was going up, and then now we're starting to see the price breaking the structures to the downside. We have another BOS here. So let's see if we're gonna have now price maybe tonight or during Asian session, and then maybe London session will go higher, boom, and then drop during New York session tomorrow. That's possible. Maybe we'll create some liquidity here, as the same thing here, liquidity created. So let's see. Like, we will have to pretty much just wait, but it is reversing. Market is starting to turn around. This, you see that curve that is having. So was a resistance, price is touching that resistance right there. So that is basically it, guys. Just waiting to see what's going to happen now tomorrow. If you have doubts, questions, guys, concerns, if you want to see, if you're interested on how we're trading now, just go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will find out there I'm offering a bundle. Okay, you have a 20% discount right there right now on the bundle comes my course, my mentorship, and my VIP signal group for life. It's only one-time payment, and that is it. You're a part of the team forever. So if you're interested, just go check it out. If you want to follow me just on the free Telegram group, just go ahead. Also, the link is in the description below. Give it a big thumbs up in this video. It motivates me to keep posting content very, very often. And I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Take it easy, guys.